Hello, students. Good morning. How are you all? Yes, good morning, Uddhav. Good morning. I am fine. What about you? So, students, today we are going to start stack data structure. Good morning. Good morning, Sidhu. Fine. Very good. Okay. So, class start करते हैं. So, now data structure, student. Stack data structure. What is stack data structure, student? Sir, stack is a data structure used to store the data element with the restriction of last in first out. You know, student? Stack, it is a data structure used to store the data element with the restriction of last in first out. You know very well, right? The element are inserted and deleted from the same end called top, right? So that's why stack kya hai? Stack is a last in first out. Why stack is a last in first out? Because stack have only one pointer. The name of that pointer is top. You are inserting element from the top, you are deleting element from the top. Inserting known as pop operation, post operation. Post means insert an item in the stack, and pop means delete an item from the stack, right, student? So if you are insert and delete item from the same end, that is called as top, then stack behave just like a LIFO, last in first out. All right. So it is a last in first out data structure. All right, student. So these all are stack, student. Why, sir? Why these all are stack, student? Because why this is stack? This is a book stack. This is plate stack, student. Okay. Dear student, when you place a book in this, it will be kept on the top. It will be kept on the top, student. And when you take out a book, it will be taken out from the top, right? Dear student, I want to insert one book. I want to insert one book. Then you insert from where, sir? At the top end. Okay, this one, top. And if you want to pick and take out book, then from the top, student. So you are inserting as well as deleting from the top. Okay, inserting as well as deleting from the top. So this behave just like a LIFO, last in first out. Okay. Similarly, in buffet system, there's a plate system. You pick plate from the top, right, and you insert plate from top, student. So that's why this is also last in first out. Understood. So stack, it is a data structure used to store the data element with the restriction of last in first out, student. I want to implement this type of scenario in computer, then we have to use stack data structure, student. Okay. So here I am inserting value from the top. Initially top equals to -1, and then 20, then 30, then 40, and then 50. And I want to delete from top, student. So first deleted is what, sir? If I pop out sequence, 50, then student 40, after this 30, and then 20, and then 10. So this is the pop out sequence, right? So that's why stack behaves just like a last in first out. Understood? So stack क्या है बच्चे? Stack is a data structure used to store the data element with the restriction of last in first out. And you are inserting and deleting element from the top. So top से ही you are push and pop. push and pop both perform at top point, so that's why this is last in first out. All right, fine. Now now bache, what is the answer for this question? Very silly question, student. Old gate p by q question. Okay. Yes, Hemlata, push and pop operation use. Yes. Yes, student. Push means insertion, add an element to the top of the stack. Push means what, student? Add an element to the top of the stack. Pop means deletion, remove and return the top element of the stack, right? One more operation, peek. Peek, return the top element without removing it. Similarly, is empty, is full, other operation, right? We'll discuss shortly, student. So this question is saying the following sequence of operation is performed on a stack, just like this one. The sequence of values pop out. So first this operation is to push 10. So you can push 10 here and then push 20, sir, push 20 and then sir pop. So if you pop first, then pop what, sir? 20 and then push 10. So you are push 10 here, then push 20, this push 20 and then pop bache. So then pop and then pop, student. So this is pop. Right? After this, sir, push 20. So you push 20 here, stack and then pop this. And then pop. So this is the sequence, bache. Which one is matching? 20, 20, 10, 10, 20. So B is the right answer for this question. So very silly question, student. Now, given the sequence of number 1, 2, 3, 4, which of the following is not a valid stack permutation? Sir, what is this, student? Stack permutation. So this pop-out sequence, bache. Pop-out sequence. So many pop-out sequence possible. Sir, many pop-out sequence possible, right? So this is known as stack permutation. If insertion sequence fix, okay. So this is not compulsory. This is the sequence. If input insertion sequence fixed, then many pop-out sequence possible, student. This is known as stack permutation. We'll discuss shortly, bache. So given the sequence of number 1, 2, 3, 4, which of the following not a valid stack permutation? Yes, student. Which of the following not a valid stack permutation? Yes, Siddhu, Hemlata. Bache, if given the sequence this 1, 2, 3, 4, which of the following not a valid stack permutation? If sequence is fixed, if input sequence is fixed in this order, then which of the following is not a valid stack permutation? Sir, how we can evaluate this, student? How we can find answer for this type of question? This type of question frequently asked in gate exam, bache. So देखिए, it's a very simple question, bache. Very simple question. So let first discuss, student. is first is possible if in insertion sequence is this order, sir, 1 2 3 4. So how this is possible? Let's sir first one come, push in the stack and pop out, immediately pop student, right? This immediately pop. Okay, now sir next 2, push 2 here and immediately pop 2, then push 3 and immediately pop this 3, then 4, then immediately pop. So this is possible, this is valid. आपसे पूछा क्या गया है? Not valid. So this is valid, not answer बच्चे. This is valid. Is valid. What about 1 3 2 4? Is 1 3 2 4 possible, student? So this is A option. What about B option? In B option 1 3 2 4. Sir, push 1 here and pop 1 बच्चे. Pop 1. So first pop is 1. And then push 2 and then push 3. Then pop 3 बच्चे. Pop 3 and then push, sir, pop 2 and then push 4 and then pop 4. So this sequence is also valid. What about C, student? If I talk about C, then sir 1 4 2 3, this is not possible. Directly you can say, sir कैसे? अभी मैं शॉर्टकट बताऊंगा आपको. Sir, push 1 here and pop 1, right? After this push 2 3 and sir 4. Now sir pop 4, right? Now pop 4. No, just a minute, I am saying about this one. Okay, 1 pop, then 4, then sir 3 and then 2. So this sequence, this is not valid बच्चे. This sequence is not valid. What about this one, sir? D. Is D possible, student? What about D, sir? Sir, first push 2, first push 1, then push 2, and then sir pop this, pop 2, and then pop 1, then push 3, then push 4, then pop 4, and then pop 3. So this is also valid, student. So answer आपका क्या होगा? ये होगा, because you have to answer not valid. So that's why C is the right answer for this question. Okay. Sir, is there any shortcut for this student? So my dear student, if insertion sequence fixed like this insertion sequence 1 2 3 4, fixed, तो पॉप आउट सीक्वेंस क्या हो सकते हैं बच्चे? पॉप आउट सीक्वेंस, वैलिड पॉप आउट सीक्वेंस. Sir, if I talk about single length string, just reverse single length string, student. So 1 2 3 4. Sir, if I consider double length string, right, then just reverse double, sir 1 2, just reverse this twice string, sir 4 3, 2 length string. Or you can reverse this one, sir 2 1, sir 3 4, or sir 2 1, both reverse 2 1 4 3. Okay. Or you can reverse this 2 length string also, sir 1 3 2, sir 4. Understood, student? And sir, you can consider 3 length string. You can reverse this, sir 1 3 2 1 and 4. You can consider this 3 length string, student, 1 4 3 2. Okay. You can consider this all 4 length string 4 3 2 1. So many valid sequence possible, right? These valid sequences known as what, sir? These valid sequences known as stack permutation, right? If insertion sequence fixed, this is known as what, sir? Stack permutation. Understood? Sir, how many total number of stack permutation possible? How many total number of stack permutation possible, student? So this is the formula. Number of stack permutation. If in insertion sequence fixed, number of stack permutation. if total n है, so it equals to Catalan number बच्चे, it is equals to Catalan number 2n Cn upon n plus 1. So this is equals to Catalan number, right? This is equals to Catalan number बच्चे. So this is the formula. Number of valid stack permutation is 2n Cn upon n plus 1. Okay. So how many total valid stack permutation possible if number arranged in 1, 2, 3, 4? So total कितने possible होंगे बच्चे? You can substitute value here and you will get answer for this question. So sir, n is what sir 4 given है. So this is 8c4 upon sir 5. What is the value of this one? Calculate and tell me what is the answer for this? 8c4 upon 5. बोलो भाई. Sir 8c4 upon 5. So, sir, what is this one? Sir, factorial n upon sir factorial r upon factorial n minus r, right? 8 minus 4. So, if you calculate this, sir, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into sir factorial 4. So, it will be 5 into factorial 4 ko you can expand this sir 4 into 3 into sir 2 into 1 into factorial 4. So, this is cancel out and 5 cancel out, sir. Sir 4 2 ja 8 cancel out, 3 2 ja 6. So it will be what sir 14. So valid stack permutation, number of valid stack permutation is what sir 14 if insertion sequence fixed. Okay, so this is the answer. All right student, now which of the following permutation can be obtained in output using a stack? Assume that the input is in the sequence 1 2 3 4 5. कौन सा पॉसिबल होगा बच्चे बताएं? Sir, after 1 5 possible है but 2 not possible. So this is not true. 5 के बाद you can write 4. Sir 5 4 3. Sir first 2 then 1. This is not possible, right? Sir after 5 के बाद sir 1 not possible. This is false. So B is the right answer. 3 4 5 2 1. Okay. 3 4 5 2 1 is the right answer for this question. चलो बच्चे इसका आंसर बताएं. Yes, everyone reply answer for this question. Yes, student, क्या आंसर आया? What is your answer? During a digital logic design class, Chandan Jha sir was explaining how LIFO buffer, often found in microcontroller unit and a stack with hardware, operate. He said, let's simulate a LIFO stack used in control logic. Suppose 4 instruction level DCBA are pushed into a stack in that order. Sir, which order? Sir, DCBA, this order. Similar to how return address are managed in microprocessor called stack. He then asked which of the following sequence cannot be a valid pop sequence of this hardware stack. Okay. You have to tell what cannot be a valid pop sequence. Okay. Assume that pop can happen immediately after any push. Okay, student. So what is the right answer for this question? B not valid. So what about first, sir? First to valid hai. You can consider single length string. Yes, sir. Push pop, push pop, push pop, push pop. So this is valid. Okay. A B C D. Just reverse entire string. Just push entire and reverse this. So this is valid, right? This is also valid. Now, what about B, student? What about B? And what about first check D, student? D C A C A D B. Is this D possible, student? Sir, C, sir, first insertion sequence D push here and then C. Then pop C, student. Then pop C, and after this you push what, sir? After this push B, and then push what, sir? A. Then you pop A, then pop A, then first pop B, student, then pop D, I think, right? What about, sir, B? Sir, B में, in case of B, sir, push, sir, C, D here, क्योंकि order, this order is first C, and then, sir, C, and then, sir, B. And then, sir, pop, sir, B, and then pop B, because you have to answer in this order. First for B, and then push C, student. Then push C, and then push A, and then pop A, and then this D. So this is possible. This is valid also. I think D is not valid, bache. Is D valid or not? Check one more time. Sir, first this D, and then C, and then pop C, right? Then pop C, and then sir, push B and A, then pop A, then first pop, sir, B, then D. So this is not valid, bache. This is not valid. So that's why answer is what, sir? Answer is D, not B. So this is your answer. Because this is asking about cannot be a valid pop-out sequence. So D is the answer for this question. Okay. Suppose you have a stack in which the value 1, 2, 3, 4 must be pushed in that order, but an item on the stack can be popped at any time. When the item is popped, then printed the number of distinct integer sequence printed through this. So basically this question is asking about stack permutation. We have already solved this question. क्या आंसर आया था बच्चे? 14. Okay. Number of stack permutation already covered, बच्चे. So what is the answer for this question? Everyone reply answer for this question, बच्चे. इतने इजी क्वेश्चन बच्चे गेट में आ भी जाते हैं कभी कभार, लेकिन वो इस तरह से अरेंज किए जाते हैं उद्धव कि ये तो लास्ट में होंगे या मिडिल सेक्शन में होंगे. कुछ क्वेश्चंस गेट में इजी भी होते हैं, लेकिन बच्चा क्या करता है, बिगिनिंग से लेके चलता है कि मैं एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं छोड़ूंगा, राइट. जो टफ क्वेश्चन होते हैं उसमें भी 10 मिनट अपने बर्बाद कर देता है. कुछ क्वेश्चन इजी भी होते हैं जो लास्ट में होते हैं, बीच बीच में कहीं होते हैं. तो इसलिए पेपर को पूरा स्कैन करिए फर्स्ट. उसमें 3 बार में पेपर सॉल्व करना चाहिए बच्चे. पहले अटेम्प्ट में आप क्या करें, जो इजी इजी क्वेश्चन है पूरा स्कैन करके सॉल्व करिए. सेकंड में उससे थोड़ा सा मॉडरेट लेवल के क्वेश्चन है उनको सॉल्व करिए. थर्ड में सर जो टफ क्वेश्चन है उनको देखिए. अंडरस्टूड. अदरवाइज आप स्टार्टिंग से ही पूरे सॉल्व करके जाओगे तो कुछ क्वेश्चन टफ होंगे, आप उसमें फंसे रहेंगे. आगे कुछ क्वेश्चंस आगे देखेंगे तो लास्ट में सिंपल क्वेश्चन होते हैं, इस तरह के क्वेश्चन. ओके. सो द इनपुट सीक्वेंस 1, 2, 3, 4 enter a single stack in this order. How many valid stack permutation can be formed that begin with the element 3? Yes, student. Uddhav, your answer is 2. What about others, Sidhu? Yes, student. What is your answer? The input in the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 enter a single stack in this order. In this order, how many valid stack permutations can be formed that begin with the element 3? Okay. So बच्चे पहला element must be 3 student. ये कह रहा है that begin with what's a 3. So first you have to post 1, 2, 3 तक. Okay. And then pop, you have to pop here. So pop 3, right? This pop 3. Got it, student? So first case, this is the first case, बच्चे. So first pop is 3. And after this, sir, you can insert 4 here. You can insert this 4 and pop 4, student, and then pop 2 and then pop 1. This is one solution. Okay. What about sir second? Sir, you have to pop 3 because you have to begin 3 से begin करना है. And इसके बाद you can pop this 2, student, and after this you insert 4 and you can pop 4, and after this you can pop this one. This is another sequence, right? What about third? 1, 2, 3. So begin with 3. So first you have to pop 3, then pop sir 2, then pop sir 1, and after this you insert 4 here and pop this 4 here. This is another sequence possible. Apart from this, is there any other solution possible, student? सिद्धू आंसर 2 आ रहा है, 3 नहीं आ रहा है क्या? Yes. Okay. Yes, Uddhav. Yes, he was my student in college. मैंने देखा है. And he is very good student. वो भी बहुत अच्छा student था. Okay. कमेंट आया, आप उसे कम्युनिकेट कर लीजिए. वो भी गेट के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है. ही इज़ वर्किंग समवेयर, किसी कंपनी में जॉब कर रहे हैं वो. ओके. सो द राइट आंसर आई थिंक 3 होना चाहिए, नॉट 2. सो राइट आंसर इज 3, स्टूडेंट. ऑल राइट. So my dear student, the main operation on stack is sir post operation. Post means what, sir? Add an item element to the top of a stack. If I talk about a stack operation, तो आप जानते हैं. Post, sir, pop, peak is empty, and fourth, sir, is full. Sir, what is the meaning? What is the significance of this one? So first, post means what, sir? Post is saying add an element to the top of the stack. Sir, pop, what is pop? Sir, pop is saying remove and return the top element of the stack. Sir, what is peak, bache? Sir, peak means return the top element without removing it. Without removing it. What about fourth? Is empty. Is empty, check whether the stack is empty or not. If it is empty, then return true. If it is not empty, then return false. Okay. Fifth point is full. Is full, also check whether the stack is full or not. If it is full, then return true. If it is not full, then return false, right? So these are the stack operation, bache. Okay. If I talk about, sir, application of a stack, so bache, there are various application of a stack, like function, recursion, calling, sir, undo, redo, backtracking, expression evaluation, balance parenthesization, browser history, memory management, reversing a string, tower of Hanoi, compiler design, just like a parsing, राइट आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी होंगी, तो स्टैक के सो मेनी एप्लीकेशंस। ओके, सो हमें अभी उस पर नहीं जाना है। नाउ कम टू स्टैक, जो क्वेश्चन गेट में आपके बन सकते हैं, इन पे हम डिस्कस करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट, नाउ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ स्टैक बच्चे। इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ स्टैक, देयर आर टू अप्रोचेस sir, array and linked list. If I apply array is a fixed memory allocation, right? Linked list is a dynamic memory allocation. In array, you cannot increase or decrease the size of a stack. If you implement a stack through array, then you cannot increase or decrease the size of a stack at runtime. But if you implement through linked list, then you can increase or decrease the size of a stack at runtime, right, student? So array may apply restriction. What, sir? This is array. Apply this restriction. Arrow plus LIFO. It will be what, sir? Stack. Sir, how we can apply this restriction? With the help of top pointer, बच्चे. Linked list में apply this restriction, sir, LIFO. So it will be, sir, stack. Okay. So let's first discuss using array. Using array. Integer stack n equals to 5. Sir, initially top equals to what, sir? -1. Initially top equals to what, student? Initially top equals to -1. Oh. Top is a pointer, right? Initially top equals to -1. This is a stack. Stack, this is an array stack. The name of this array is stack, and top is a pointer. Sir, initially top equals to -1. I want to post element in this stack. Then how, sir? First you have to do what, sir? First you have to increment top, student. Top equals to top plus 1. First you increment top, top equals to top plus 1. Then top equals to top plus 1, say top is what, sir? Sir, 0. So top is pointing to this one, student, right? Top is pointing to 0. Then after this, you can insert value here. After this, you can insert value here. Okay, stack topper value. Okay, now let I insert this value is 10. Sir, I want to insert one more value. Then first what you have to do, you have to increment this top. Top equals to top plus 1, so this is 1. Okay, so top is pointing to this one, student, and stack topper value, you can insert value like this, 20. Sir, I want to insert one more value. Send first increment top, student. So top is pointing to this one, and you can insert value here. Like I want to insert this 30, right? Sir, I want to insert one more value. So top equals to top plus 1. So top equals to top plus 1. First top is pointing to this one, and you can insert this value here. Second point, right? Sir, I want to insert one more value. Then first increment top equals to top plus 1, this line, and after this is stack topper, you can insert value here. So top first increment, you can insert value. Sir, I want to insert one more value. Can I insert? Can I insert a student? So can I insert a student? No, because this is the limitation of array, fixed memory allocation. You cannot insert. This is the overflow condition. Stack full or overflow condition is what? Sir, top equals to, if top equals to n minus 1, this is the size of this array. Top equals to n minus 1. So this is the overflow condition. Okay. This is the overflow condition in Python, bache. So right here, comma. Sir, I want to pop or delete or pop element from the stack. So first decrement top, bache. First decrement top. So first line, sir, how we can decrement? Sir, top equals to top minus 1. So top is, sir, 3. So first decrease this top. So top is pointing to what? Sir, this 3. So my dear student, this top is pointing to this one. Oh, ये चला गया. Now second step, just a minute student, first store this value by equals to stack top so that we can return the deleted value. Second, set top equals to top minus 1, and third, return deleted value, right? Okay, so by store what sir? 50. by में क्या आएगा बच्चे? by में 50 आएगा, right? And after this top equals to top minus 1, top इसको point करने लगा, so this element is deleted. Okay, and you return deleted item. Sir, I want to delete one more value. So so by equals to stack top पर. Now stack top is 40. Top equals to top minus 1. So top equals to top minus 1. Top decrease हुआ. So this is pointing to this one. Right, so this element is deleted. You can return deleted item. Similarly बच्चे, I want to delete this, then top equals to top minus 1. So top इसको point करने लगेगा. So this element is deleted. Okay. After this, sir, I want to delete one more value. So top, same thing. So top equals to top minus 1. So top equals to top minus 1. So this is pointing to this one. This value is deleted. Sir, I want to delete this one. So top equals to top minus 1. Again, top equals to what, sir? Minus 1. So this is deleted, right? So finally, top equals to minus 1. I want to delete one more value from stack student. Is it possible? No, this is underflow condition. This is underflow condition because stack is what, sir? Empty हो चुका है. So stack empty or underflow. If top equals to minus 1. Okay. Now so bache, I am not writing code, not writing algorithm, because here algorithm not important, sir. Implementing stack, implementing multiple stack, here I am talking about 2 stacks in single array. Okay, so I want to implement 2 stack in a single array. How we can implement this, student? So this is a single array. Okay. This is a single array. Okay. I want to 2 stack, bache. So this both stack, sir, growing in opposite direction, right? Both stack growing in opposite direction, right, student? So this is left stack, this one, and here this is the right stack. Okay. Understood? Sir, both is growing in opposite direction. There is no fixed boundary here. Sir, if you, sir, left stack increase up to here, right stack increase up to here. There is no fixed boundary, no fixed partition, right? So left stack goes to, sir, here to here up to last. Similarly, sir, right stack goes to here. Sir, no problem at all. Right stack come to, there is no fixed boundary. Understood, student? Okay. So, sir, let TL, sir, this is a top pointer. Initially TL equals to what, sir? Initially, sir, TL equals to, TL is a, TL is what, sir? This is a pointer. Initially top, TL equals to -1. initially this is the top pointer of left stack, right? And here initially top pointer is tr. Initially this is what, sir? N. Initially this is what, sir? Sir, total size of this array. Sir, I want to insert value here. So first increment this one. Look here, student. First increase this, sir, TL plus plus, and then TL is pointing to this one, and TL is pointing to this one. You can insert value here. Okay. Understood? I want to insert one more value. Then TL plus plus, TL is 1. Then you can insert value here 20. Similarly, this is 2, then TL is pointing to this one, you are inserting value here. Sir, first increment TL plus plus, so TL is pointing to this one, you can increase value here. Sir, TL plus plus, TL is pointing to this one, you can, there is no fixed boundary, student. I want to insert one more value, so TL plus plus, so TL is pointing to this one, you can insert value here, right? Understood? So means what? Sir, you are inserting value from the left stack, then you have to, sir, first step is what? Sir, TL plus plus, TL equals to TL plus 1. And second step, sir, let this is array name is, okay. Similarly, sir, what about right stack? If I talk about on the right hand side stack, the first step, sir, just decrease this tr minus minus, and second, sir, stack tr, पर you can insert value. So first decrease this tr minus, not tr minus minus, because Python not support, sir. Python not support बच्चे increment decrement operator. So you can write this. So tr decrement होके, sir, first decrement हुआ, sir, this is 8. So tr is pointing to this one. So you are inserting value 90. Sir, I want to insert one more value. Sir, again decrement this one 7, right? 7, and stack tr per value. You can insert 80 here. Sir, I want to insert one more value. Sir, again first operation. Sir, this is tr minus minus minus, and stack tr per. You can insert value here. So tr is pointing to this one, and tr is pointing to this one. Okay. So this is the actual overflow condition, right? This is the actual overflow condition, right? This stack completely, you are utilizing, efficiently utilize complete this memory, right? In this way, you can implement multiple 2 stack in a single array, right? Okay. So what is overflow and underflow condition, bache? If I talk about underflow condition, in the left stack, bache, left stack, sir, left stack में underflow condition, if TL equals to what, sir? -1. In the right stack, sir, if tr equals to n, size of array. So this is the underflow condition, all right? What about overflow condition? What about overflow, bache? Overflow. So this is the actual overflow condition. If TL बराबर, what's a tr minus 1 or tr equals to TL plus 1. Understood? So this is the overflow condition, bache. So TL is pointing to this one, and tr is pointing to this one. So TL equals to, so tr minus 1. This is overflow condition, or we can say, sir, we can say tr equals to TL plus 1, or we can say, sir, tr minus, sir, TL equals to 1. Understood? TL equals to, TL is 5, student, and tr is 6. So TL equals to tr minus 1, or tr equals to TL plus 1. We can say tr minus TL equals to 1, right? So this is the overflow condition. Understood? So in this way, you can implement 2 stack in single array. This is the efficient utilization of memory, right? In this implementation, overflow condition arise only when the stack is completely filled, bache. Now stack implementation using linked list bache, right? You know linked list we have already covered in the previous two classes. Okay, so how is stack implemented by a linked list? So okay, so this is the data part and node part, single linked list. Sir, if top इसी को बना दो बच्चे, top is head, right? head को ही top बना दीजिए, head is top student, इसे ही top बना दीजिए, right? This is top. You are inserting from top, you are deleting from top. You are inserting from top, you are deleting from top. Then it will be stack student. If you are insertion push and pop, if you perform push and pop both at what sir head, head is means sir top, head is means top, it behave just like a last in first out, and last in first out के साथ apart from this student it behave just like what sir nq and dq operation. Here if I talk about nq is order of 1 and dq is also order of 1, right? Right, in this case no, nq कहाँ से आ गया बच्चे? पुश एंड पॉप करेक्ट करना बच्चे, करेक्ट करिएगा इसको. सर पुश एंड पॉप both operation cost is constant because you are inserting from beginning, you are deleting from beginning, right? You are inserting from top, you are deleting from top. So that's why this nq and not nq in push and pop operation, the complexity of push and pop operation is constant, right? Right stack n plus 1 होना चाहिए. Why n plus 1? बच्चे n is the total size, बच्चे n is total size. उद्धव, हेयर n का मतलब क्या है? टोटल साइज है. व्हाट इज n हियर? 0 to 8. n का मतलब क्या है बच्चे? सर 9 है बच्चे यहाँ पे. टोटल n का मतलब क्या है? 0 to 8 टोटल साइज, साइज ऑफ अरे. दिस n इज व्हाट्स द साइज ऑफ अरे. Okay student, my dear student, if you implement stack through linked list, then what you have to do, sir जिस head pointer is known as top pointer, head को top बना दीजिए और head से ही insertion, head से ही अगर आप deletion करेंगे तो क्या होगा सर? complexity push and pop की complexity कितनी होगी बच्चे? order of 1, क्योंकि beginning से ही आप insertion, beginning से deletion कर रहे हैं. सर in any real life में if you are inserting and deleting element from the same end, then this behave just like what sir? This behave just like a what sir? LIFO. So last in first out. Understood? So what is the answer for this question, student? Thank you, Karthik. Yes, Karthik Sundaram, what is the right answer for this question? Consider how to implement a stack and when we push an element, where does it go? When we pop an element, where does it come from? So my dear student, we push at the tail and we pop at the head. Sir, if you push at the tail, bache, if you push at the tail and pop at the head, then what is the problem here? What is the problem here, student? Why not A? because this is not LIFO. For LIFO के लिए you have to implement push and pop operation both at the same end. If you are taking different end, then this is not LIFO, student. Understood? So you have to take both point at the same end, student, right? So this is saying, sir, push at the tail and pop at the head. So what is the problem here? Sir, this is not LIFO. And we know stack is a LIFO. So that's why this is not answer. What about B part? B push at the tail and B pop at the tail. Sir, B push at the tail and B pop at the tail. Then this is FIFO. But another problem. What is another problem here, student? Why this is not answer? Sir, problem here, look here, problem क्या है? Sir, problem look here. Sir, this is uh, this is head pointer and here this is tail pointer. If you pop at the tail, I want to pop this element. Sir, if you pop at the tail, sir, in a single linked list, I want to delete this element. Then what is the time complexity for this, student? What is the time complexity for this, student? I want to delete this element. I want to pop this element. Then what is the time complexity of this? Sir, you have to traverse this linked list. You have to traverse this linked list and you have to set one pointer here. And after this, sir, PTR can x equals to none ho jaye, then you can delete this. You can delete this. Then what is the time complexity for this, student? Sir, order of n. So this is the problem. Sir, B push at the tail and pop at the tail. Then NQ operation cost. Sir, NQ is order of 1. करेक्ट सर. बट सर एन क्यू क्यों आ गया बच्चे? पता नहीं क्यों, मैंने पढ़ाया है अभी तो वही याद आ रहा है. इसे करेक्ट करेक्ट कर लीजिए. सर पुश का कॉस्ट कितना आ जाएगा? सर ऑर्डर ऑफ 1. बट पॉप पॉप क्या होगा? सर ऑर्डर ऑफ n. अंडरस्टूड? फीफो कैसे हो गया? क्यू दिमाग में बड़ा हुआ है भाई. क्यू, दिस इज लिफो. बी पुश एट द टेल एंड बी पॉप एट द टेल. करेक्ट कर लीजिए, इसको करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा बच्चे. बी पुश एट द टेल and B pop at the tail, then this is LIFO, last in first out. But problem is, sir, push operation cost is order of 1 and pop operation cost is order of n. So that's why this is not answer. What about C part? Again, sir, in the C part, this is not LIFO, as well as, sir, push ka cost, push in order of 1 because push at the head and pop at the tail. So pop cost order of n. This is too large, so that's why this is not answer. Okay. What about D part? B push at the head, B pop at the head. B push at the head, B pop at the head. So both is same point. So this is LIFO, as well as push and pop operation cost is what, sir? Order of constant. So this is correct answer. D is the right answer for this question. Okay. ओके जल्दी कल हो जाएगी स्टार्ट. कल हो जाएगी बच्चे स्टार्ट क्यू. सो डी इज द राइट आंसर. So use stack to check which one is not balanced. सर हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन बच्चे? सो ओपनिंग के लिए स्टैक में पुश करिए, क्लोजिंग के साथ बाहर निकालिए. राइट अगर स्टैक में कुछ बचा रह जाता है या रीड करने में कुछ बचा रह जाता है तो वो अनबैलेंस है. ओके this type, how we can solve this type of question? Sir, opening parenthesis या opening brackets, opening curly braces push into stack and closing के साथ just apply pop. Right after reading is stack is empty, then this is successful. Right, if stack is not empty, this is error, not valid. Either if stack is empty but input sequence is not empty, then this is also error बच्चे. Right, मतलब अगर ये इनपुट में बचा मिल गया इस तरह का या this one या this one, so this is also error. So how we can solve this type of question? Let A part, student. So A, this is opening, push into stack. So this is opening, push into stack. This is opening, push into stack. This is opening, push into stack. So this is opening, push into stack. हो गए सारे? Yes, this is closing, pop, sir, closing, sir, pop, opening, sir closing this one, sir this closing, sir this closing, sir opening, right this one, closing this one, sir closing. क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? कहीं मिस्टेक कर दिए क्या बच्चे? कहीं मिस्टेक किया क्या? लेट ट्राई वन मोर टाइम बच्चे, जल्दबाजी मत कीजिए, मिस्टेक्स हो सकते हैं. So this is opening, क्लोजिंग, ये क्लोज हो गया, फिर क्लोजिंग, ये क्लोज हो गया बच्चे, फिर ये ओपनिंग, फिर इससे ये क्लोज हो गया, दिस इज क्लोज. ओके, this one close, so this one close, this is opening right here, parenthesis right here, and this closing, and this one sir closing, and this one closing. Perfect sir, this is end, stack is empty. So which one not balance, not balance parenthesization. So here this is a balance parenthesization, that's why this is not answer, right? What about B bache? Similarly you can check B, C and D and tell me what is the right answer. बोलो भाई. Sir, in this C, this is opening, opening, opening. Here this is opening, this is opening, bache, and this is opening. Again this is opening, again this is opening, and this is closing, closing, sir closing, 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 closing. So this is also balanced, student. Yes, B is also balanced, so that's why this is not answer. What about C? What about C, bache? So this is opening here, sir. Again, sir, opening. Again, sir, opening. This is closing. So you can close this, sir, closing, opening, right? And then closing, then opening, and then closing, then opening, then this closing, then this opening, then again opening. Okay, then again opening, bache, then closing, this closing, then closing, this closing. Here cancel out कर दीजिए बच्चे, फिर opening हुआ, again opening, सर अगेन ओपनिंग. बच्चे वेरी इसमें कुछ है नहीं, बहुत ही सिंपल है. अगेन ओपनिंग, देन क्लोजिंग, दिस वन क्लोजिंग, दिस वन क्लोजिंग, दिस वन क्लोजिंग, दिस वन क्लोजिंग, दिस वन. एम आई करेक्ट? ऑप्शन सी ये एक आंसर है. डी को भी जरा चेक कर लो. इन सेम पैटर्न यू कैन चेक डी ऑल्सो बच्चे. डी इज बैलेंस ना. इन द सेम वे यू कैन चेक डी ऑल्सो, राइट? अगर आपने सी कहा है तो सी. इसी तरह से बच्चे डी को चेक कर लेना. अगर नहीं है तो आंसर ये भी हो जाएगा, अदरवाइज सी आंसर है. डी को भी इसी पैटर्न पे चेक कर लीजिए. ओके, सही से चेक करना, कोई मिस्टेक नहीं करना. मैं आपके ऊपर छोड़ देता हूँ, डी को चेक करिए और देखिए. ओके, सो कंसिडर द यूजुअल एल्गोरिथम फॉर डिटरमाइनिंग वेदर द सीक्वेंस ऑफ पैरेंथेसिस इज बैलेंस. व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पैरेंथेसिस दैट विल appear on the stack at any one time when the algorithm analyze. So what is the right answer for this question, student? So this is opening here, this closing, opening, this one closing, closing closing so opening, yes. So how many number of, ये क्या पूछ रहा है, what is the maximum number of parenthesization that will appear on the stack at any one time when the algorithm analyze. So maximum number of कितने हैं बच्चे सर, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 आ रहा है क्या, क्या 6 आ रहा है या 5 है, देख लीजिए, चेक कर लीजिए. Yes student, the answer is 6 or 5. Okay. Now बच्चे, this pattern question also asked in GATE exam and public sector exam. Finding average lifetime of an element in this. Let S be a stack of size n greater than or equals to 1. Starting with the empty stack, suppose we push the first n natural number in the sequence and then perform n pop operation. Assume that push and pop operation take x second each and by second elapsed between the end of one such stack operation and the start of the next operation. The average stack life of an element of this stack is. Okay. So ये क्या कह रहा है बच्चे, ये क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि हमने स्टैक में n नेचुरल नंबर्स को पुश किया है पहले, फिर पॉप किया है, राइट. पुश एंड पॉप करने में x सेकेंड टाइम लग रहा है. पुश एंड पॉप टेक x सेकेंड ईच, राइट. एंड बाई सेकेंड elapse बिटवीन द एंड ऑफ वन सच स्टैक ऑपरेशन, आइदर 2 पुश और 2 पॉप और 1 पुश एंड पॉप के बीच में बाई सेकेंड elapse, राइट. Yes, by second elapsed between the end of one such stack operation. Then what is the average stack life of an element? Not stack life, average stack life of an individual element. आपसे ये बताना है. Okay? तो चलिए देखते हैं. So let I consider sir n equals to let 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let first insert natural number 5 natural number push in this stack बच्चे. Sir 1, sir 2, 3, 4, 5 and then pop sir first 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. So ये होगा 1, 2, 3, 4 then 5. This one. Here I am pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then after this pop 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this question is saying कि x second for push and pop take x second. For push and pop take x second. X second time. Push and pop operation take x second time. And by second elapse between the end of one such stack operation. By second elapse between the end of sir two operations. By second elapse between the end of two such stack operation, right? Here this is y. So what is the average stack life of an element? आपको ये बताना है बच्चे. So first discuss stack life. What is the stack life for one student? Stack life for one. What is the stack life for one बच्चे? This is the stack life for one from here to sir here. This is the stack life for one. Understood? Sir, how many x total time? Total time count x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8x. Okay. 8x plus how many number of bytes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the stack life for sir 1. Similarly for 2, what is the stack life for 2 bache? So 2 total 2 duration from here to here. So this is the life of 2 in the stack bache. So how many total x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And total y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 6x 7y. So this is the life of 2 in the stack, not average, right? Okay. Similarly for 3 bache, so for 3, so count x and y, so it will be 4x plus 5y. Similarly for 4, so 2x plus 3y. Sir 4 के लिए, so the 4, this is the life of 4, 2x plus 3y. Okay. For 5, so this is the life of 5 by. Okay. If you sum this, then you will get total time. Total equals to, this is 8, 6, 14 and 14, 18, 20x. 20x plus this one was 16 plus 5, 21, 22, 25y. So average stack life equals to total divided by total. How many number of element I assume, sir? 5. So you will get, sir, 4x plus 5 by. Okay. So can I write, student, can I write this one, sir, 5x plus 5 by minus x? For simplification, for easy understanding, can I write like this, 5x plus 5 by minus x? Yes, sir. Why not? So it will be, you can take common here, 5. So for n के लिए, this 5 element, this is 5 into x plus y minus x. For n के लिए, n into x plus y minus x. In this way, you can understand this. You can use this as a formula also. Okay. So this is the average stack life, n into x plus y minus x, student. Let n equals to, if n equals to 10 and x equals to 5 second and y equals to 2 second, what is the average stack life of an element? Yes, student. Sir, you can substitute this and directly in this formula. That's a 10 into x plus y in 7 minus what is, sir, x. So this, it will be what? 70 minus 5 is 65 second. So you can use this as a formula also. Okay. Now bache, what is the answer for this question? N into x plus y minus 1. Yes. 65 second is the right answer. You can solve this question easily. Just very simple question hai bache. Try yourself. This is the homework. Try yourself bache. Right? And what is this? This is also very simple question. So फटाफट answer बताइए बच्चे. Within minute you have to answer what is the right answer for this question. Yes, everyone reply answer. This question is visible or not? This question is visible. Okay, this is blur. So blur हो रहा है बच्चे. Not visible. Simply, sir, there are two stack, student, stack 1 and stack 2. So this is saying what, sir? Push 10 in S1. Very simple. Push 10 in S1. Right. This is done. And push 20 in S2. Push 20 in S2. Done, sir. Push 30 in S2. Push 30 here in S2. Done, sir. Now push pop S1. Pop from S1, bache. This is saying what? Pop from S1 and push in S2. So push in S2. This one. What about, sir, peak S2? Peak S2 is saying what? Sir, peak is saying, so just return the top element but not delete, bache. And delete is saying delete as well as return. And peak just only return, not deleted, bache. So peak S2 means 10. 10 is come on this S1, right? Pop from S2, you are deleting from here, and push 40 in S1. So 40 in S1. Sir, push peak S2 S1. Sir, peak S2. Sir, peak S2 means 30. And push S1. 30 here bhi hai. This one peak S2 30 and pop from S1. So you can pop here and push peak S1 to peak S2. Sir, 40 come at this position. Right, alpha equals to peak S1. अल्फा है ए है सर, ए इक्वल्स टू पीक S1 क्या है बच्चे सर 40, एंड बी इक्वल्स टू पॉप S2 क्या है बच्चे 40, एंड सी इक्वल्स टू पॉप S1 क्या है बच्चे ये 40. सो नाउ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन बच्चे. सो दिस इज 40 प्लस 40 इक्वल्स टू 120. ओके, सो दिस इज सिंपल क्वेश्चन बच्चे. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं, सिंपल गेट में भी आ जाते हैं. ओके now way of writing expression बच्चे. infix is saying two operand and in between two operand this is a operator. So x and y are operator. x के बीच में क्या है, x and y are operand बच्चे. operand क्या है, x and y operand है, and operator इसके बीच में होगा. For example this, sir, here x plus y into z, operator between operands. Sir, y and z operand इसके बीच में operator है. Sir, x and y operand बीच में operator है. So this is known as infix notation, right? But my dear student, infix notation is not sufficient for computer, right? If you evaluate infix expression, then you have to take care about the precedence and associativity rule. For maintaining the precedence and associativity rule, you have to scan string multiple times, so it will take lot of time. So time complexity is increased. Sir, what is the solution for this? Solution is you have to use different expression, right? Prefix and postfix. Prefix and postfix बच्चे. So what is prefix? Prefix is saying what? Also known as Polish notation. Prefix is also known as Polish notation. X plus y means what? Sir, first operator. This is infix. And prefix क्या होगा? First operator, then two operand. Another is postfix notation. This is also known as reverse Polish notation. X plus y means, sir, first two operand, then operator. Okay. So infix, prefix and postfix. Infix is saying, sir, two operand and operator in middle, right? Prefix, first, sir, operator, then two operand. Postfix is saying what? Sir, first two operand, then operator. Okay. If infix equals to a plus b into c, then what is prefix and what is postfix, student? Okay, क्या होगा? So let's first discuss, sir, prefix, and after this we'll discuss postfix. Sir, how we can evaluate, how we can convert infix to prefix, or sir, infix to postfix, right? So for that, in first time, you have to take care about precedence and associativity rule. Sir, higher precedence evaluate first bache, right? After this, lower precedence. If two operator have equal precedence, then check associativity rule, right? फॉर हायर ऑपरेटर के लिए चेक प्रेसिडेंस रूल, फॉर इक्वल प्रेसिडेंस के लिए चेक एसोसिएटिविटी रूल स्टूडेंट. सो इन प्लस एंड एस्टिक विच वन हैव हायर प्रेसिडेंस? सर एस्टिक हैव हायर प्रेसिडेंस. So first evaluate this operator first and this one, right? After this is a single operand, this is a operand, and then this evaluate plus a star b c. So this is what is doing prefix. This is what prefix. All right. Similarly for postfix के लिए sir first evaluate higher precedence operator. So b c star. This is one operand. This is one operand. Now this. So this is postfix बच्चे. So in this way, manually you can convert prefix to, sorry, infix to prefix or infix to postfix. Okay. Now student, what is the right answer for this? Consider the following expression. This expression is given. The postfix notation of the given expression. First you calculate manually. After this we'll discuss some shortcut, right student? So first calculate manually. After some time we will discuss shortcut also student. The postfix notation of the given expression is what? Yes, Karthik Sundaram. What is your answer? बोलो भाई. Uddhav is saying A. What about others? बाकी के लोगों के आंसर. मैं मान लेता हूँ उद्धव का आंसर ठीक है. आगे चल के मैं इसी क्वेश्चन को अभी सॉल्व करूंगा बच्चे, शॉर्टकट ट्रिक से. ठीक है, मान लिया ये आंसर करेक्ट है. अभी वेट समटाइम्स वी विल डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट? सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. सो नाउ प्रीफिक्स टू पोस्टफिक्स कन्वर्जन बच्चे. नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, प्रीफिक्स टू पोस्टफिक्स डायरेक्टली, नॉट इनफिक्स टू पोस्टफिक्स. prefix is given होगा, directly they ask you convert to postfix, right? Then student is doing what? First convert sir infix, and after this convert postfix. Don't waste your time. Directly you can convert prefix to postfix. Sir, how? Sir, for this these are the rules. First rule is saying what, sir? This is saying to convert from prefix to postfix, we need what, sir? Operator followed by sir two immediate operand, then convert it into postfix, right? Then convert into postfix. Sir, what does it means? First check bache operator. This is the operator, and check two immediate operands. So yes, sir, this is two immediate operand. Okay. Similarly, sir, this is the operator, check two immediate operand. So convert into what? Postfix form. Convert into postfix. CD plus and sir BA minus. And after this is a one operand, this is another operand. So check operator, and after this check two immediate operand. So convert into postfix form bache. So CD plus BA minus asterisk. So this is postfix. Okay. So in this way you can convert into postfix. Understood? What about second bache? What about second? What about second? This is a prefix, convert into postfix. Convert this question in postfix form. बच्चे check operator and after this two immediate operands. So this is the operator and two immediate operands are this one. So this is the operator, two immediate operand, this one. Operator, two immediate operand, this one. So convert into postfix form, right? CA plus, this is a one operand, E, this is another operand, sir, DB star, this is another operand, FG power, this is another operand. Okay. After this is operator, check two immediate operand, bache. Okay, so what is the answer for here, sir? This answer CA plus E, and after this convert into postfix. So this is a single operand, bache. Understood? DB star and this one. After this, sir, this is the operator, check two immediate operand. So it will become single operand. Sir, this is a operator, and after this check two immediate operand. So this is the answer, student. This is the answer, okay? CA plus E divide DB star power operator FG power operator star. So right, this is the answer, student. CA plus E DB. Clear? Very good. बहुत अच्छी बात है. If it is clear, then solve answer. What is the right answer for this question? Postfix notation of the given expression. Prefix is given. You have to convert postfix, bache. This is a prefix. This string, read this string. This is a prefix, student. Okay. Convert into postfix. What is the right answer? This question just like this question, student, right? Right? Just like this type of question. Solve and reply answer. Yes, student. Okay. So try yourself, बच्चे. This simple question. A answer आएगा बच्चे इसका. आप try कीजिएगा. Okay. Now इस पैटर्न के क्वेश्चन भी आपको मिलेंगे गेट एग्जाम में. Such type of question asked in gate exam, just like a matching. Sir, one side is prefix, another side is postfix. You have to match 1A, 2B, 3B like this. So yes, student. Everyone reply answer for this question, matching question. What is the correct matching? What is the correct matching order? Fast student. Too fast. Yes, student. Sidhu, where is Sidhu? Karthik. 1C, 2D. Sir, 1C. This is saying you are saying 1C and 2D. 1C, 2D, and sir 3B. And this one. This is matching, correct matching, student. CDBA. One C, 2D. सही है बच्चे. This is correct answer. Yes, this is correct matching. Okay. So now similarly prefix to infix. I want to convert prefix to infix. Very simple, sir. Why same hai, sir? Check sir 2 operand and convert into sir infix. C plus D, A minus B, and then check 2 operand. So convert into C plus D into A minus B. So in this way you can convert from prefix to infix. Very simple. Okay. Now next is postfix to infix or postfix to prefix. Reverse, student. To convert from postfix to infix, we need what? Now we need 2 operand. First we need what's a 2 operand followed by immediate operator. Then convert into infix and convert into infix as well as in prefix form. So now we check set 2 operand and then operator. Set 2 operand and then operator. So convert into sir prefix. Convert into prefix or infix. Let first discuss infix. Sir A minus B, C plus D. Now 2 operand, check this one. So A minus B into C plus D. So this is the answer, student. A minus B into C plus D. Similarly, I want to convert prefix. That this postfix is given. So directly you can convert sir prefix. Sir, how? Sir, check first check 2 operand, then operator bache. So this is minus AB, 1 operand, and this is plus CD, another operand, and here this is star. So check 2 operand, then operator. Sir, prefix mein first this has to come out. So this is prefix. So in this way you can convert prefix. ओके। सो इस तरह से बच्चे आप कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं पोस्ट फिक्स टू प्रीफिक्स। नाउ इनफिक्स टू पोस्टफिक्स कन्वर्जन। अब आते हैं उस शॉर्टकट पे, इनफिक्स टू पोस्टफिक्स कन्वर्जन। सर ये रूल है, रूल नंबर 1 इज सेइंग इफ टॉप ऑफ स्टैक, सर इफ यू आर स्कैनिंग स्ट्रिंग, इफ टॉप ऑफ स्टैक इज लो एंड नेक्स्ट ऑपरेटर एनकाउंटर हाई प्रेसिडेंस देन push into stack. Second, if top of stack is high operator precedence and next operator encounter low precedence operator, then pop. Third rule, sir, if same precedence operator बच्चे, if associativity is left to right, then pop. If associativity is right to left, then push. Okay. Sir, another rule, if any open braces comes, treat it as a new start or new stack until the closing braces come. Okay. सर क्या मतलब हुआ इनका? Very simple meaning, student. So top of stack, if top of stack contains surplus and next operator higher precedence operator star encounter, then what will happen? Sir, you have to push because star precedence higher precedence as compared to plus. If you push this, student, if you push this, then no problem. Sir, if you push this, then stack is the last and first out. First evaluate what, sir? Higher precedence operator. So in case you can push. Sir, this is the first case, right? Sir, what about second case? Sir, if star inside and lower precedence encounter, sir, in this case what you have, sir, higher precedence in the stack and lower precedence read हो रहा है, then क्या किया जाए बच्चे? अगर बच्चे इस प्लस को पहले आप स्टैक में डाल देंगे तो गलत हो जाएगा ना. If you push this, then what is the problem here, sir? If you stack is the last and first out, then first evaluate plus, which is wrong, student, which is wrong. This is not allowed. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to just pop. You have to pop, first pop, sir, first pop this one and insert plus. This is the case 2. What about case 3, student? Case 3 is saying what? Case 3 is saying, sir, if let's suppose this is plus and minus is encounter बच्चे, minus कम आ रहा है, then what you have to do, sir? In this case, sir, both operator have the same precedence, both operator have the same precedence, then what should I do, sir? Sir, if you push here, if you push if you push this minus, then stack is the last and first out, first evaluate minus. सर दोनों का इक्वल प्रेसिडेंस है, देन एसोसिएटिविटी लॉ फॉलो होना चाहिए. सर माइनस इवेल्यूट हुआ तो एसोसिएटिविटी राइट टू लेफ्ट हो जाएगा, बट अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर का एसोसिएटिविटी रूल क्या है? लेफ्ट टू राइट, लेफ्ट टू राइट. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट? तो फर्स्ट पॉप दिस, sir, first pop this is wrong. So which is wrong? So first you have to what, sir? If associativity is left to right, if associativity is left to right, right here I'm talking about, sir, associativity rule left to right, then first pop this and after this push this minus. Okay, so this is rule number 3rd. What about rule number 4th? Rule number 4th कह रहा है कि सर if associativity right to left, just like if power operator in the stack and another power operator in counter बच्चे, next power operator आ रहा है, then what should I do, sir? Both have equal precedence. In this case what should I do, sir? The associativity is right to left. बच्चे, if you push this, if you pop this, if you perform pop operation here, if you perform pop operation here, then and after this post, then first evaluate left to right, but the power operator associativity rule is what, sir? Right to left. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? First you push, first solve this one. So now first solve क्या होगा, sir? This one. So correct associativity, if associativity is right to left, then this is the rule number 4. Okay, in this case push. Okay, what about this last line, बच्चे? If any open braces come, treat it as new start or new stack until the closing braces come. What is the meaning of this one? So this question is saying, let's suppose this expression is, student, b into c divided by C minus D. Let's suppose this type of expression. Okay. Then this is saying what? If any open braces come, treat it as new start or new stack until the closing braces. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? So look here, student. So first come left parenthesis, push into stack, and after this is a operand. Sir, only this is a operator stack. This is only operator stack. Here we will use only what, sir? Operator stack. We will use what, sir? Operator stack. Understood, student? This one. Okay. So here this is operator, push into stack. A is operand, not push into stack. Then plus push in this is stack. Then this is left parent. This treat as a new start, right? This opening treat as a new start. Don't compare with this plus, student. Okay. After this new operator is star, and after this closing. So whenever closing encounter, then pop up to opening tak, then pop up to opening. Then after this division, then division compare with this plus, division compared with this plus, division and surplus which have higher precedence, division have higher precedence, so push into stack. And after this opening parenthesis, after this opening, this next operator is minus. Don't compare this minus with this division, because after this opening, so it treat as a new start, right, student? Okay, fine. Then sir, this closing, so pop up to left, and then this closing, sir, pop up to this left. So this is the meaning of this line, student. Now, this infix given postfix and maximum stack size, you have to find. What is the postfix and maximum stack size? So this is the operator stack. Okay. So my dear student, first this is operand or right operand in where, sir? Postfix expression. If it is operator, push into stack. Sir, if it is operator, push into stack. Directly saying, student, if it is operand, my dear student, so write in postfix expression. If it is operator, compare with this stack element which have higher precedence, sir, star have higher precedence, so push into stack. Case number 1, right? Now, if it is C is a operand, right, in this here. Now, this power operator have a higher precedence to this star, push into this stack. And after this, sir, this is D. D is a operand right here, D. And this minus is a operator having less precedence to power and star. So immediately, bache, pop these two. And sir, minus and plus have equal precedence. In this case, check associativity rule. Sir, plus come first left associative. So pop this plus also. And after this, push minus here. And then, sir, the E is a operand right here. And after finish this, pop this minus also. So this is the postfix expression. Okay. Now the next question, maximum stack size use. MSU, maximum stack size use what, sir? 1, 2 and 3. Maximum कितना stack use हुआ है, sir? 1, sir, 2 and 3. So maximum stack size use is, sir, 3. So this is the answer. MSU is 3. What about this one, student? What is the postfix form of this second question? So this is operator stack. If it is operand, write in postfix this expression. If it is operator, push into stack. Again, this is the operand right here. If it is operator, star have higher precedence to plus, push into stack. Sir, C is the operand, right C here, and this is minus. Minus have lower precedence to this one, right? Star, so pop this is star, and left associative say plus भी pop हो जाएगा, and push minus into stack. Now after this, D is the operand right here, and this is the operator. Division have higher precedence to plus, minus. So push in stack बच्चे. And इसके बाद सर E operand है, यहाँ लिखिए. इसके बाद सर power have higher precedence to division, so push into stack. Now this F, sir, F operand यहाँ लिखिए. इसके बाद सर star have lower precedence to power, so power pop, this power is pop, and star and division have equal precedence, but associativity is left to right, so this one is also pop. Okay, now and star push here, and now this is G. Okay, इसके बाद sir plus have lower precedence, so first pop this star, and plus and minus have equal precedence but associative rules left to right, so this is also pop, and then post plus here, and after this sir h, and after completion of this and you pop plus from this stack. So what you will get, this is the answer student. ये रहा आपका, देखा आपने कितनी जल्दी निकाला, कोई टाइम लगा बच्चे इसमें? So this is postfix ABC star plus DEF power operator division G star minus H plus. Okay, what is the maximum stack size used sir? 1, 2 and 3. So maximum stack size कितना यूज हुआ है सर? ये 3 टोटल 3 सेल्स स्टैक की यूज हुई है. So maximum stack size is what sir? 3. Okay. So इस तरीके से आप फटाफट निकाल सकते हैं. Okay. बजाय मैनुअली आप सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. बताओ, ये वही क्वेश्चन है जो मैंने छोड़ दिया था अभी, जिसका आंसर ए था. कितना आएगा बच्चे? यस स्टूडेंट. MSU, the maximum size of operator stack required, कितना होगा? This is operator stack. So first one is what sir? This operand right here, and then sir plus. So push plus in the stack. After this Q, so write Q here, and then division have higher precedence, push into stack, and after this R, sir right here, sir minus have lower precedence. So ये बच्चे pop हो जाएंगे, okay, and minus push into stack. And after this sir is S, so right here S student, if this is star have higher precedence, so push into stack. Now next this is T, the operand right here T, and after this power operator, power have higher precedence, so push into stack. After this sir U, you can write here U, and this division have lower precedence, so power come at this place. Division and asterisk have equal precedence, so left associated rule says, so this is also popped, and push division here, right? And this is V. So right here V, and after this is a minus have lower precedence to this one, so this is popped, and minus and this minus both have equal precedence, but left associated rule say this minus is popped, and this minus is pushed here, and after this W, so you can write here W, and after this pop this minus also. So this is the postfix, right? देखा आपने कितनी जल्दी निकाला बच्चे? So this is your postfix, okay? And maximum stack size 1, 2, 3. So MSU of this question is what's a 3? You can check, this is the A option correct था ना? PQR plus this one ना? A option. No. This one PQRSTW. So the A is correct answer. Okay. So A is the right answer for that question. Now, postfix evaluation using operand stack. How we can evaluate postfix expression, student? Using, in this case, we will use operand stack. This is operand stack. Now, operand push into stack, right? When operator encounter, pop 2 symbol from the stack and evaluate and push result onto stack, right? Okay. This is operand stack, student. Okay. Now, first this is what's a 3 push into stack. After this a 2 push 2 into stack. After this operator is encounter, pop 2 symbol from the stack. Sir, first pop become the second operand, and second pop become the first operand, and in between write this operator. So 3 2 ja sir 6, so evaluate 6 and push into stack. All right student. Now after this, next is 5, so push into stack. This is plus, so first pop become the second operand and second pop become the first operand in between this operator. So this is 11, so push into stack, right? And now after this, sir 6 is a operand, sir, so push into stack. After this, sir 2 is a operand, push into stack. After this division, so pop 2 symbol from the stack. First pop is 2 become the second operand and second pop become the 6, and then this 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So push 3 into stack. And after this this minus, so first pop become the second operand and second pop become the first operand. So this is 8 minus 3 is 8. So 8 is the right answer for this question, student. What is the correct answer? Sir, 8. What is MSU? Sir, MSU is 3. This question may be asked if MSU is X, right, and expression result is y. What is the value of x plus 2y? Yes, such type of question may be asked numerical data question, student. So what is the correct answer? X plus 2y. This is saying MSU is x. So according to this, what is x? Sir, x is 3. Expression result is y. Then what is y? Sir, y is 8. Substitute this value. Sir, x is 3. So this is 3 plus 2 into, sir, 8. So it will be what, sir? 8 to the 16. So this is 19. Maybe this type of question asked. Okay. So 19 is the answer for this question. Okay. What is the answer for second question, student? Yes, everyone reply answer for second question. And let I modify this question, student. The result, this is by, and x equals to MSU. X equals to what, sir? MSU. What is by divided by x, student? You have to find by divided by x. Yes. What is the result of y divided by x? For this type of question, student, first read here, sir 6. Sir 6 is a operand push into stack. Now sir 2 is a operand push into stack. Now sir 3 is a operand push into stack. Now this plus pop 2 symbol from the stack, 3 plus 2, this is 5. Now this is minus is a operand, say 6 minus 5 is what, sir? 1. Now after this, sir 3. So 3 is a operand push into stack, and this 8 is a operand push into stack. Now 2 is a operand push into stack. After this, sir division, sir pop 2 symbol from the stack. First pop become the second, and second pop become the first. So this is 4. Okay, so this is 4. After this, sir plus, sir pop 2 symbol from the stack and calculate this one, sir 7. After this, star pop 2 symbol from the stack, 1 into 7 is 7. Sir, after this, sir 2 is a operand. Now sir, this power operator. Sir, what is the meaning of this power operator? Sir, first pop become the second operand. Sir, this is 2, and second pop become the first operand, बच्चे. And in between this power, तो क्या आएगा? 7 की power 2 कितना होता है बच्चे? 49. Okay. So 49 आ गया. इसके बाद सर 3 पुश इनटू स्टैक. इसके बाद प्लस सर पॉप 2 सिंबल एंड 3. सर दिस इज 52. Okay. So and MSU equals to what, sir? So हमें पता चला बच्चे MSU कितना है? x इक्वल्स टू 4 एंड एक्सप्रेशन रिजल्ट कितना आया सर 52 y डिवाइडेड बाई x सर 52 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 इक्वल्स टू व्हाट सर 13 सो 13 इज द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन राइट स्टूडेंट। चलो बच्चे इसका आंसर बताएं। 52 तो एक्सप्रेशन रिजल्ट बट आई एम आस्किंग यू सर 52 दिस y डिवाइडेड बाई x सो इसका आंसर बच्चे 32 है ठीक है 32 नहीं 13 करेक्ट करिए ओके। Let x be the result when the below postfix expression is evaluated and by be the result of the following postfix expression. This one, the value of x plus by power. Sir, this is 0.5. This power operator, power लिखा हुआ है, printing mistake है. This is a power operator. Consider it power operator. Okay. Power में है बच्चे 0.5. 0.5 in the power. So basically this is asking about you, sir, under root of x plus y. ये पूछा गया है, ये पावर में है. Okay. So first evaluate x, then y, and then x plus y square root. So now first calculate बच्चे x. Sir, this is a power 8 is a operand push into stack, and 3 is a operand push into stack. Sir, 1 is a operand push into stack, and after this plus, sir, plus this is 4, and after this, sir, minus 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, right? After this, sir, 2 push 2 in the stack, and after this power operator means what? 4 to the power 2. This ये कितना हो जाएगा 4 की power 2. This is 16, right? And then sir 7, so push 7 here, and then sir 1, sir push 1 here, and then plus 2, sir 2 here, this is operand, and 1 minus, sir 1 minus 2, this is what sir minus 1, and after this multiplication 7 into minus 1, so this is minus 7, and after this plus 16 plus this one is what sir 9. So what is the value of x student? X is 9, right? What about y student? What about y? Y equals to what sir? 9, this 9, 3. So check this by value, evaluate by value also bache. So 9 is a operand push into stack, 3 is a operand push into stack, right? And after this division, so this is 3, and after this is 4, and then the first, so 7. 7 आया इसका भी. So y is 7 bache. You get sir y equals to what sir 7. So very simple, substitute value here is student. 9 plus 7, it will be what sir 16, and the answer is 4. Okay, so 4 is the right answer for this question student. चलो बच्चे ये होमवर्क है, आप ट्राई करिएगा. बाय बी द मैक्सिमम साइज ऑफ ऑपरेंड स्टैक द वैल्यू ऑफ x माइनस वाई. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, ट्राई योरसेल्फ. Okay. Now evaluate prefix expression using stack for a equals to 16 b to c3. I have to evaluate prefix expression बच्चे. I have to evaluate prefix expression, right? So answer बच्चे x equals to, let I say x equals to MSU, y equals to expression result. What is sir x plus y plus 2? What is this value? Sir numerical data question है बच्चे. X plus y plus 2 is what? तो सबसे पहले बच्चे माइनस प्लस substitute a value is what sir 16. What is b value sir 2. What is c value sir 3 star. What is d value sir 10. What is e value sir 4. star. What is A value? So 16. What is C value? 3. So this is the prefix expression, and you have to evaluate prefix expression by a stack, student. And the x is MSU, y is the expression result. What is x plus y plus 2? वैभव सर गेट में फुल कैसे लाएं? फुल मार्क्स? बच्चे अब ये टाइम आ गया है कि अब आपको कम से कम 10 से 12 घंटे अब पढ़ना है, राइट? एटलीस्ट 12 आवर्स के आसपास आपको स्टडी करना है वैभव. अंडरस्टूड? सो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स नवंबर एंड तक, इवन नवंबर एंड तक, इवन फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ दिसंबर तक आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट फिनिश करने हैं, राइट? विथ ऑल कॉन्सेप्ट, ऑल PYQ के साथ में. ओके. एंड मिड दिसंबर से आपको फिर से एक एक सब्जेक्ट उठाइए और एक एक सब्जेक्ट का रिवीजन करिए, राइट? आपने शॉर्ट नोट्स तो बनाए होंगे. यस. आपको 12 घंटे कम से कम अब पढ़ना है बच्चे. अब वो टाइम आ गया है, राइट? स्टार्टिंग में आप 4 घंटे पढ़ते ठीक है, लेकिन अब क्या है, नवंबर भी एंड होने पे है, एंड ही है नवंबर, दिसंबर बचा, जनवरी, राइट? सो 12 घंटे, एटलीस्ट 12 घंटे एक अच्छी स्टडी करिए. सर ओके सर, 2028 या आगे दूंगा. अच्छा वैभव, किस ईयर के स्टूडेंट है आप? आर यू फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट? यस. एमटेक हूँ सर, पर सर हो नहीं पा रहा है. यू ऑलरेडी फिनिश एमटेक? ओह जीनियस. देन आप गेट क्यों दे रहे हैं भाई? वाई यू आर अपियरिंग इन गेट? टू 2018, 7 साल बाद, 8 साल बाद गेट क्यों दे रहे हैं भाई? ओके. अब मत दीजिए, आप बंद कर दीजिए. अगर आपके 2 4 8 10 -1 आया है तो बंद कर दीजिए बच्चे, राइट? Evaluate prefix expression using stack for this one student. So when you evaluate prefix expression student, prefix expression evaluate from right to left student, right? This is a shortcut. You can evaluate left to right also, but for simplification, for easy understanding, prefix expression evaluate from right to left. First rule evaluate from right to left, and second rule is what? Sir, first pop become the first operand and second pop become the second operand, right student? So evaluate this string from right to left. Okay. So evaluate this string. This is 3 student. So 3 is the operand, push into stack, and now this is 16 operand. Now this is star. Now in this case, first pop become the first operand student, and second pop become the second operand, right? 16 into 3, this is 48. So it will be 48. All right. Now after this, sir, 4 is a operand pop push into stack. Sir, this is a operand push into stack. After this is multiplication. Sir, pop 2 symbol from the stack. Sir, first pop 10 and second is 4. Right, so it will be 40. So push 40 here, right? After this, sir, 3, so push 3 in the stack, and after this, sir, 2 push in the stack. Sir, this is power operator. First pop become the first operand and second pop become the second operand. In between this operator, bache, 2 to the power 3 equals to 8, and push 8 here. And after this, sir, 16 is operand, push into stack. Sir, now this is division. So first pop become the first operand and second pop become the second operand. In between this operator, sir, this is 2. Right? Okay, fine, sir. Now after this, sir, plus first pop become the first operand and second pop become the second operand. In between this so this is 42. So it will be 42 student. Now this is minus, first pop is 42 and second pop is 48. in between this operator, this is -6. So this is the -6 bache. Okay. Sir, what is MSU here? Sir, MSU, sir, 1, 2, 3, and 4. MSU is 4 bache. Okay. So x is 4, and what is the y? By the result of by expression, this is -6. X plus by -6 plus 2. It will be what, sir? 0. So 0 is the answer for this question. Understood? Now, what is the right answer for this question, student? कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग सी प्रोग्राम। बच्चे, दिस इज अ सी कोड। सर, सी में भी आपका क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि पाइथन के ही कोड होंगे। जैसे डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, सी का सीडो कोड मिल सकता है बच्चे। व्हाट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ द प्रोग्राम फॉर द फॉलोइंग इनपुट? So basically in this code, what is happening here, you have to evaluate, sir, what's our postfix expression, right? So yes student, what is the result answer, correct answer? My dear student, evaluate this. Okay, and Sidhu and Udhav is answer is 25. I think 25 is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So next is Fibonacci series, बच्चे. What is Fibonacci series, बच्चे? If n equals to 0, initially two terms 0 and 1, then answer is n. Sir, otherwise answer is what is student? Sum of previous two term. Otherwise sum of previous two term, right? Sum of previous two term. Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus Fibonacci of n minus 2. Okay. Sir, detailed Fibonacci series you will learn in algorithm subject, right? Sir, what is the time complexity? Fibonacci series with dynamic programming, right? Everything you will learn in algorithm. Okay. Now here I am discuss only number of function call and number of additions like that. This type of question asked in GATE exam. So this is base condition, student. This is what, sir? Base condition. Sir, recursion termination condition. Okay. So basically, what is Fibonacci series, बच्चे? Sir, n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like this. So Fibonacci of n, sir, if n 0 or 1, then 0 pe right answer is what, sir? N 0, 1 is 1, right? What about Fibonacci 2? Sum of previous two terms, sir, sum of previous two. This is sum of previous two terms. This is sum of previous two term, right? सर सम ऑफ प्रीवियस टू टर्म अंडरस्टूड बच्चे. सम ऑफ प्रीवियस टू टर्म, सम ऑफ प्रीवियस टू टर्म 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus this is 21, 21 plus this is what, 34. yes 31 ना. yes this is what sir, 50, 50 कितना, 55, 55. okay, what about this one student? this is 89, this is 89 na. yes 89. what about this one sir? 4 1 44. okay. So this is Fibonacci series. Okay, in this way you can evaluate Fibonacci series. What is the value of Fibonacci 5 बच्चे? So actually Fibonacci 5 के लिए ये कॉल होगा, right? This is not base case. So this is what sir, Fibonacci of 4 plus sir Fibonacci of 3. This is what sir, Fibonacci of 3 plus this is what sir, Fibonacci of 2 plus this first complete left part is one. So in this way you can evaluate Fibonacci series. Okay. So Fibonacci 5 is calling to Fibonacci 4 is calling to Fibonacci 3 followed to Fibonacci 4. Fibonacci 1 directly, this is the base case, return what sir, 1, it return 1. And now Fibonacci 0, this is the base case, it return what sir, 0. Now Fibonacci 2 return, the value of this Fibonacci 2 1 plus 0 is what sir, this is the value 1. Now Fibonacci 1 return directly, it return 1. Now this Fibonacci 3 value is 1 plus 1 is 2. Now this is called to F2 and F2 F1 return directly 1 return 1, then Fibonacci 0 it return 0. What is the F2 value? 1 plus 0 is 1, right? Now Fibonacci 2 return, Fibonacci 4 return, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So in this way, so calling to Fibonacci 3, Fibonacci 2, and this is 1, and here this return 0. So this one return 1 plus 0 is 1. Fibonacci 1 is called, so it return what sir? Sir 1. So Fibonacci 3, 1 plus 1 is 2, return, now 2 come here, and this 3 plus 2 equals to sir 5. So this is the value, right? In this way you can evaluate value directly. You can say the value of this is what sir, 5. How many number of addition and number of function call in Fibonacci 5? How many number of addition in Fibonacci 5 बच्चे? Sir 1, sir 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Right? And how many बच्चे function call? Number of function call कितने हुए बच्चे? Sir 1, sir 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. कॉल ऐसे होंगे बच्चे, कॉल इस तरह से नहीं, मैंने काउंट किया है जस्ट, राइट? पहले 1 2 इस तरह से कॉल होते जाएंगे, राइट? लेफ्ट साइड से फिनिश होगा, तो कितने फंक्शन कॉल हुए सर? 15. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Fibonacci 6 में हाउ मेनी फंक्शन कॉल इन हाउ मेनी? Here I am talking about in Fibonacci 6. How many number of function call, number of addition? You have to tell number of addition and number of function call. How many addition and now number of function call बच्चे आपको ये बताना है, बताइए. In Fibonacci 6, number of function call and number of addition बच्चे. Number of function call and number of addition. So Fibonacci 6 equals to क्या होगा बच्चे? Fibonacci 5 plus so look here student. Number of addition बच्चे in Fibonacci 5 में how many addition बच्चे? Number of addition is what sir? 7. In Fibonacci 4 में how many addition बच्चे? This is Fibonacci 4. How many addition sir? Sir 1, sir 2, 3 and 4. Fibonacci 4 में कितने addition हो रहे थे बच्चे? 4. So total addition in Fibonacci 6 में total addition कितने होंगे sir? Number of addition sir 7 in Fibonacci 5 plus 4 in Fibonacci 4 plus 1 this one. So plus 1 this one. So total is what sir? 7. This is 12. So number of addition equals to what sir? 12. What about number of function call? Number of function call in Fibonacci sir 5 में sir 15 plus Fibonacci 4 में how many function call बच्चे? sir 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 function call. So बच्चे 9 total function call कितने होंगे सर? 15 in Fibonacci 5 सर 9 in Fibonacci 4 और ये 1 function call हो रहा है. So it will be sir 25. So number of function call is 25, right? So this is the answer, 12 and 25. So can I say equals to sir according to this law, according to this formula, sir number of function call in Fibonacci n equals to number of function call in Fibonacci n minus 1 plus number of function call in Fibonacci n minus 2 plus 1. Similarly for addition for function call आप देख सकते हैं ना ये formula, this formula आपने additional plus 1 कर दिया बच्चे. Okay, so number of addition in Fibonacci n equals to what sir? Number of addition in Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus number of addition in Fibonacci of n minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is one formula बच्चे. Okay, similarly same formula for number of function call. बच्चे ये फिबोनाची नहीं लिखा, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, so this two formula. So tell me, what is the answer? Consider the following naive recursive Fibonacci function. This is the Fibonacci series, bache. How many total function call will be made, including the initial call? How many addition operation will be performed? What is the ratio of function calls to addition for Fibonacci 11? For Fibonacci 11 के लिए. Yes, everyone reply answer. अच्छा ब्रेक चाहिए. Finish this question student, finish this question. This is the last topic Fibonacci series. For next topic के लिए 10 मिनट का ब्रेक दे देंगे. इसको पहले फिनिश कर लीजिए. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? तो सर फॉर फिबोनाची 11 के लिए यू नीड व्हाट सर? फिबोनाची 10 वैल्यू एंड फिबोनाची सर 9 की वैल्यू, राइट? फिबोनाची 10 में नंबर ऑफ फंक्शन कॉल एंड फिबोनाची 9 में नंबर ऑफ फंक्शन कॉल, नंबर ऑफ एडिशन. दिस इज अगेन tedious वर्क बच्चे. अगेन दिस इज वेरी tedious वर्क. इफ यू अप्लाई दिस फार्मूला, दिस इज वेरी, you have to calculate up to Fibonacci 9. This is very tedious formula. Okay, then what should I do, sir? You can use this formula बच्चे. You can use, if you solve these two equation recursively, first convert recurrence relation and solve recurrence relation. Similarly, first convert into recurrence relation and solve recurrence relation. You will get answer, bache. This is the answer. Number of function call, this is the answer. You can use this formula. Number of function call, this is, and number of addition, this is the number of addition. Okay. Number of function call, and here this is number of addition. Okay. सो आई एम आस्किंग व्हाट सर फिबोनाची 11 के लिए. मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या था इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन? फिबोनाची 11 के लिए. ओके. क्या होगा बच्चे? नंबर ऑफ फंक्शन कॉल का फॉर्मूला सर 2 इंटू सर एफ ऑफ सर 12 माइनस 1. सर इससे क्या निकल के आएगा सर? एफ ऑफ 12 माइनस 1. सो आपको फिबोनाची 12 की वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ेगी बच्चे, जो हमने पीछे अभी निकाल के दिखाई थी आपको, राइट? अगर आपको याद हो, मैंने 12 तक ही क्यों किया था? इसलिए किया था जिससे आप ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकें. फिबोनाची 12 की वैल्यू क्या है? 144 है. ओके. So write here value 144. So you will get sir 2 into sir 144 minus 1. So it is 288, 287. So number of function called 287 and number of addition is what sir? 144 minus 1. So it will be 143. How many addition? 143. So in this way you can calculate number of function call and number of addition. Okay. Understood student? So for the next topic, start from next topic. Okay, break for 10 minutes. Meet time sir. 10 minutes का नहीं है बच्चे. 7 सर टाइम इतना नहीं है बच्चे हमारे पास. ओके. 7:30 PM पे मिलते हैं हम लोग. सर 7 मिनट का ब्रेक है बच्चे. मीट 12:30 PM. ओके. मीट 12:30 PM बच्चे. 7 मिनट्स का ब्रेक है. नाउ स्टूडेंट कम बैक, आ गए आप लोग? This I think already covered. This thing we have covered. Okay, so remove this. Now Tower of Hanoi. आप लोग आ गए? Basically, student, Tower of Hanoi consists of three rods and disc for different size stacked in decreasing order on one rod, smallest on top, largest at the bottom. And the rules is what, sir? Only one disc can be moved at a time. A largest disc cannot be placed on a smaller disc. The goal is to move all discs from source A to destination C using auxiliary B. So my dear student, this is beginning phase and this is auxiliary. Now n equals to 3 disc. 3 disc in page A, you have to transfer all disc from page A to page C by using this auxiliary page. Okay. So what is the logic for this? Yes, very good, present. Tower of Hanoi is the problem, बच्चे. 3 डिस्क हैं सर, 3 रॉड हैं, 3 रॉड्स हैं या 3 पेजेस हैं. ओके, एक रॉड में बच्चे जो बिगनिंग वाली रॉड है उसमें एंड डिस्क पड़ी हुई है. किस ऑर्डर में सर? डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, मतलब नीचे बड़ा है, उससे ऊपर उससे छोटा, उससे ऊपर उससे छोटा, इस तरह से. आपको ये सारी डिस्क को किस में? टारगेट वाले पेज, एंड पेज में ट्रांसफर करना है. बशर्ते रूल क्या है कि एक बार में एक ही डिस्क मूव होगी, ओनली वन डिस्क मूव एट ए टाइम. एंड सेकेंड रूल, सर नीचे छोटा डिस्क नहीं होगा कि छोटे डिस्क के ऊपर बड़ा, नीचे बड़ा उसके ऊपर छोटा होगा. राइट, ये रूल आपको फॉलो करना है. इसके बाद ऑल एंड डिस्क को यू हैव टू ट्रांसफर इन टारगेट पेज. राइट, so how we can transfer, student? What is the logic for this? Sir, if only single disk, then directly you can transfer. Okay. Go to Get Set Go. Go to Get Set Go at GFG portal. You will get all PDF, student. All PDF of this YouTube classes. Understood? Yes. उद्धव एंड सिद्धू, सजेस्ट हिम, इनको सजेस्ट कर दीजिए. गेट सेट गो वेबसाइट पे जाइए. If I talk about algo, or we can say pseudocode, and disk at beginning page, बच्चे sir, if n equals to 1, if n equals to 1, if this is n single disk, then directly move from A to C. Then directly move from A to C and return. Directly move from A to C and return. Sir, if n is large, then what you have to do? You have to first transfer n minus 1 disk from beginning to auxiliary, बच्चे. Beginning to auxiliary. What you have to do? You have to transfer n minus 1 disk, this disk from beginning to auxiliary, बच्चे. Beginning to auxiliary. How we can write this recurrence relation? n minus 1 disk beginning page क्या है सर? दिस इज ए टू auxiliary. जिसमें ट्रांसफर होगा उसको लास्ट में लिखेंगे, जिसके थ्रू होगा वो ऐसे लिखेंगे. Move n minus 1 disk from beginning to auxiliary page by using C. And how many disks remaining in beginning page? Only one disk. So directly you can transfer A to C. And जो बच्चे B में चली गई हैं n minus 1 disk, उनको C में ट्रांसफर करिए. n minus 1 डिस्क जो B में चली गई है, आपको कहाँ ट्रांसफर करना है? फाइनली C में. तो दिस इज टावर ऑफ हनोई, बच्चे. ओके. Write for 3 disk, 3 A, B, C. Write for 3 disk बचे 3 A, B, C. Sir, n equals to 3 disk. How many disk बचे? 3 disk. Then if n equals to 1 है, this is the base condition or recursion termination condition? No. If n equals to 1, then directly move A to C. Otherwise, Tower of Hanoi n minus 1 disk A to auxiliary बचे. So आपको what you have to transfer n minus 1 disk to, sir, A to what, sir? Auxiliary. Sir, auxiliary page is B, right? ACB. And now after this line number, this third, so this is line number 1. Line number 1, sir, 2 and 3. Line number 1, 2, 3. Okay. So line number 1 execute हुआ. Line number 2 is saying what, sir? A to C. Move A to C. And sir, line number 3, Tower of Hanoi n minus 1 disk. 2 disk जो आपने C में ट्रांसफर कर दिया है. You have to transfer what, sir? Sorry, B में ट्रांसफर कर दिया है. You have to transfer C finally. Okay. Again, this is a small problem, bache. Again, sir, a small problem for n equals to 2. Sir, n equals to 2, this same problem. Here, beginning page is A, auxiliary page is C, ending page is B. Don't compare with this. Don't see this is here. In this case, beginning is B, auxiliary is A, ending is C, right? Solve this, sir, again. So, move n minus 1 disk, any one disk from beginning to what, sir? Auxiliary. Sir, beginning to auxiliary is what, sir? C. Here auxiliary is C, right? And move one disk from directly A to ending A to B. And sir, Tower of Hanoi, move n minus 1 disk, 1 minus 1 disk जो आपकी C में चली गई हैं, उनको फाइनली कहाँ ले जाना है? सर, B में. Okay. Similarly, on the right hand side, sir, Tower of Hanoi कॉल हुआ n minus 1 disk from beginning to auxiliary. Here auxiliary is this A, and move one disk from direct B to C, sir, beginning to target page. And Tower of Hanoi, move n minus 1 disk जो auxiliary में आ गई है, फाइनली कहाँ जाना है? सर, C में जाना है. Is further recursion called, student? So this is calling to this one and this one calling to this one, and this recursion terminate बच्चे. This recursion is terminated here. This recursion is terminated here. Directly it move what, sir? A to C. Because n equals to 1 per, directly A to C. Now second move is what, sir? A to B. Second move is A to B. What about, sir, this one? What about this one? Directly, sir, C to B. Sir, C to B. And this is terminated. Now next move is, sir, A to C. Now this is calling to this one, and next move, sir, B to A. After this next move is B to C, and after this next move is, sir, what, sir? A to C. So this, in this way you can do Tower of Hanoi problem. बच्चे ठीक है? Okay. No, now first move is what, sir? First move is what, sir? A to C. Second move, sir, A to B. And third move, C to B. Fourth move, A to C. Fifth move, sir, B to A. B to A na. Sixth move is what, sir? B to C. And seventh move is what, sir? A to C. Okay. If you follow this rule, first move is saying what, sir? A to C. So this disk move from here, okay, from here to here. Then A to B, this disk move from here to here, A to B, right? After this C to B, so C to B, this disk move come at this one. So basically what you are doing, sir, all n minus 1 disk here, sir, n minus 1 disk from where to where, sir, n minus 1 disk from beginning to auxiliary. n minus 1 disk from beginning to auxiliary बच्चे, right? N minus 1 disk from beginning to auxiliary. According to algorithm, sir, n minus 1 disk, this part, n minus 1 disk beginning to auxiliary. Then how many disks remaining in, sir, beginning page? Only one disk. Directly you can transfer here. So this is directly you can transfer from here to here, okay? Fine, student. And here you are doing what, sir? Sir, all n minus 1 disk जो beginning में auxiliary में आ गई, you have to transfer at target page. So B to A, sir, this is a small problem, just like for n equals to 2, B to A, this come here, and B to C, this largest disk come at this place, and sir, A to C, this one come at this place. So in this way, you can transfer all disk. Okay, how many number of move, बच्चे? Number of move is what, sir? 7. Okay. How many times smallest disk move? Smallest disk movement, how many times smallest disk moves बच्चे? कितने बार? नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स स्मॉलेस्ट डिस्क मूव कितने बार हुई है बच्चे? सबसे छोटी वाली डिस्क, जो ये वाली डिस्क जो ऊपर वाली है, ये कितने बार मूव हुई है? आप छोटी वाली देखेंगे बच्चे, इसमें देखेंगे 4 बार हुई है. चलो आगे चलते हैं. Now number of movement. How many movement? Let for n disk के लिए, let I assume here this is number of movement is mn बच्चे. Sir, how many movement? Sir, one movement. And how many for n disk के लिए number of movement is mn, n minus 1 disk number of movement is what, sir? M of n minus 1, and this is 1, and same this is for m of n minus 1. So now let mn is the total number of movement बच्चे. Mn is total number of movement equals to what, sir? If n equals to 1, then number of movement is 1 is to 1. If only one disk, then how many number of movement? Only 1. Sir, if n greater than 1, बच्चे, if n greater than 1, then how many total number of movement? This is sum equals to sum of this one. So it will be 2 into m of n minus 1 plus 1. So if you solve this recurrence relation, बच्चे, you will get the number of movement. Mn equals to if you solve this, then total number of movement equals to 2 की power n minus 1. Okay. So now conclusion of the story कि total movement is 2 की power n minus 1. Okay. NAT question may be from if n equals to 10, then number of movement 2 की power 10 minus 1, 1023. A small disk movement बच्चे. How many times a small disk move? Is 2 की power, sir, ऊपर whole power n minus 1. Understood? कॉपी किया था, कहाँ गया भाई? Now time complexity. Find the recurrence relation. First find recurrence relation. Okay, student. So let total time for this is Tn, and here this is order of 1. This all are constant order of 1 bache, and for this is T of n minus 1, and this is for order of 1, and this is for T of n minus 1. So total time recurrence relation for time complexity bache, Tn equals to, if n equals to 1, then it will be what, student? N equals to 1, then this is constant order of 1. Otherwise, if n greater than 1, then this is sum of these two, bache. Sum of all means 2Tn minus 1 plus constant. Okay. So k is a constant here. Okay. So this is a recurrence relation, very important बच्चे, many times आपके कई सारे एग्जाम में पूछा गया है. So you can say here this constant, 1 means constant either k or c. If you solve this recurrence relation, you will get the time complexity is order of 2 to the power n. Understood? So that's all in Tower of Hanoi. Now this is homework for you, try yourself. Now this is the next question and the last question for today class. What is the right answer for this one, student? A function f defined on a stack of integers satisfy the following property: fi equals to 0, f push si equals to maximum fs 0 plus I for all I stack s an integer I. If a stack s contain the integer 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 2 in order from bottom to top, what is fs? This data is given. Sir, f of 5 means this is, sir, this data is given. F of 5, f of empty stack is 0. Then what you have to find? You have to find this one, student. If basically 2 minus 3, so 2 minus 1 and 2, what is the value of this one? You have to tell basically this one. Okay. F of push function, this function is giving what, sir? Maximum of fs comma 0 plus I. Okay. So tell me f push 2. First, bache, first I want to push this 2. So according to this formula, what is this value and how we can evaluate, sir? S I is 2. So what is the value of this one, sir? Maximum of fs means what, sir? Initially, what is f? So this stack is what, sir? This stack is empty. Plus I. What is I? I here 2. So you can evaluate this one, sir. Maximum of, sir, this value is what, sir? Initially this is 0 plus 0 plus 2. So you will get what, sir? 0 plus 2 equals to, sir, 2, right? So conclusion of the story, sir, f of this value equals to what, sir? 2. क्या हुआ? ये पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है। Stack after push, fs after push. Okay. Initially this I value is 2, ये I value 2 लिया, तो stack after push how look like stack is 2. Sorry, initially तो all is 0, this one, and this value is 0. This data is given, right? And after this I push 2, so this stack look like this. Understood? And fs after push के बाद what is the result of this one is 2? This is 2. Okay. Now after this I want to insert sir -3, so I is -3. This stack look like this, sir 2 -3. What is fs after push बच्चे? Maximum of fs comma 0 plus -3. Sir, what is fs before -3? What is fs? Sir, what is fs बच्चे? This value is 2. fs is 2 बच्चे. Okay. So this is -1. After -3, this value is what, sir? -1. Now after this I want to push 2 here. So if you push 2 बच्चे, so stack कुछ इस तरह का दिखेगा. Okay. क्या वैल्यू थी बच्चे? -1, 0 plus 2. So this is 0 plus 2, it will be 2. Now -1, this value is minus. Now finally last value is 2. So stack कुछ इस तरह का दिखेगा बच्चे. Okay. So this is 3. So finally the answer of this is what, sir? This answer, this is 3. Finally 3 is the answer for this question, student. Understood? So this is very good question. Okay, bache. So that's all in today class. This is the end of stack. All right. Okay, student. So yes, 3 is the right answer. कल की क्लास में मिलते हैं न्यू टॉपिक के साथ, क्यू डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के साथ. ओके. क्लास अच्छी लगी है, आप अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करिए. राइट. Yes, 3 is the right answer for this. 3 C part. This 3C part is the answer for this one. Okay. जो लोग गेट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, नहीं भी कर रहे हैं, उनको भी शेयर कर सकते हैं. राइट.